Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
And in brother, they connect together for spiritual reason. When they say the masculinity, my brother, they not be God. Say the killer. Say na God. That just the shaper. The only thing the family would do. Hello.
Excuse me, sir. With all due respect, sir. What I want to try to ask you. Do you see any man with that woman? You see her with your eye?
No, we not see her. We cannot see her with my eye. But people when notice her, many people when we begin to find out now, because family before the family they question anybody with this kind of investigate. And when the people when they call now, when they investigate, they find out say yes, this woman they go out and they meet her, they see her with different men.
Okay now. Okay now. Excuse me, sir. Okay now, why they not snap a picture? As the sister the man will come for come they snap a picture. That kind of thing, you people have to have strong proof. This one I say some people say yours my eye not reach your eye too not reach sir.
Okay, see, you get that way again for tradition, according to our tradition. When we see such a thing, because it doesn't happen for other people when we don't see before. When we see such thing, you get the way the woman will prove innocent. And if you know say you not do, you get the way to the proof innocent according to tradition. That's the reason why the family now send message to the get family.
Okay.
So okay, make them call their daughter, make it come, so that make it come proving innocent. The mother now tell us say no, it just cannot be come. He said our family now say it just cannot be come. I will say why you say your daughter not will come. Let her come so that we come prove innocent. Say he not do. Say because this is the tradition. If you not say not do, he will come and talk. Everybody will clear and witness. If you not say do, he will tell the family say see what he do. Then I tell her how to serve. So that he will serve food, so that thing will stop me for not affect the children, that the husband. Now the mother now openly they tell us say if not be say a spirit just call that they make people when they spend all the land, people fight all of them. Say it just cannot come. That word when the answer us. Today the family is sick. Now again, send another person again and to mother say okay, if you say your daughter cannot will come to come prove innocent, definitely from now we'll pray. Make the people when they come in, make it not affect our brothers, make it not affect the children. So that's only when the people make it take care of them. As far you as the mother, when I know what they go on, ever since, which the family never know. Say your doctor did misbehave to do all this thing work out. You know what may come prove it now. Yes, without this now.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. God will bless you.
Okay.
Thank you. I understand the whole story. The only one thing when I pick now. Okay, now the proof where they say make it come. Now juju now want to can swear.
No, like our commissioner, if it come now, they know take and say not swear juju. If family will stand, our family will stand. They get the way they consult oracles, they will confirm whether that's true or they lie against them. But if the family will stand, our family will stand. Inside will date it's clear matter to share. Only before some of this kind of thing will happen, when this thing happen, people don't get their family stand, our family stand, the woman will not tell the truth. Say yes, so it really happened, but intentional to her. That's woman will get feeling for children. But some women don't want to get feeling for children when get strong mind, they will see in shoes. Say no, they're not doing anything wrong to me happen. But when they don't throw the thing will confirm, say yes, it really do. They will tell you why you want to kill your children when you know say you do this thing.
Okay, now I want to ask you another thing, sir. Thank God say you there, Uromina. Where you say you there? What you hear me? If woman fuck for outside the way me, what did they happen to the man or to the woman?
Okay, if the woman cross other man and the children they with her, formally that is just day before, the children once they could give children, the children would be sick, they would get problem. If the husband shop people, the husband would die. Even pass on that one self, it would affect the husband for any day, the husband will dead door, different sickness, different temptation would across the man. It can even lead the man to death. But
okay, their husband go come dead door. You know, if he meet up again, he go come in when.
No. Yes. He will come in when. You know, we call him meet up. But some years back now, some of our elderly men and the royal highness, then I say no. Say this thing, this our tradition. When we meet, so they say no, let us pray so that the person when commit the crime, the woman when commit this crime, they are supposed to suffer with he commit. Not when the innocent when no when what to do. Okay, what do we do? The elderly men, they not call, or they call the royal highness, call the elderly men, or sit down, they not perform another things again. Say any woman will do this kind of thing. It would be suffering, not the husband when don't know anything again. Most of them now, when the people you hear say the woman is speak, tomorrow you hear say the woman is speak, next tomorrow you hear say the speak. Unless the man like this one now, when we say the man don't know, say why perform this kind of thing, and the man see they communicate with the woman, that one you know personally you see the one follow the woman, and therefore they affect the man, they kill the man.
Okay, what that you are?
Hello.
I said whether because as you are talking now, the whole world is listening to you. When it case are what begin me on Wednesday san, where be atomic base and it webo. If they sample not a webo, ni go working out in Winukbo. Yeah, we go working out, we are going to working out in Winukbo. Yes, a baby over we have it to a webo. Me on Wednesday say atamia. I will bear way, I will worry. Yama only a struggle you laughing ya. Why better go walking wagger? What market? What market? What of if they not pay the woman right price?
Okay. If they happen to say the woman say the man not pay the best price, but the woman bought for the man. He said the woman bought for the man.
Okay, if he bought for the man, now see the woman not see get right to fuck for her side.
If the woman born for the man, but the man not pay the woman best price, and the woman they speak with other men, the family will not call the man say what you do so now sin because you already born for the man. But in the ancestor no will hold like the one where they already paid the dowry.
Okay.
It's you know what better like one where they pay the dowry, but the one where they pay the dowry like this issue one they tell you now, this woman now will pay the dowry. As this is not to say that pay the dowry, the family know. Say yes, we do everything. This very delicate, very dangerous. You know when the woman play, when you do this kind.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. God will bless you. I will try to call the woman right now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
I think yes, sir. What that we on now? O tell Sanya General. Walking here, wake good magwana, and we are ready walking. So let's go to the woman number. The woman married TMC, come on, not you, or Mati, a woman near Galloway. Or Galloway. You can't walk well, so I'll forgive you. I'll wear my son. Let's see how I'm a picture, you have a proof, where a mammy no way. Right to bam, okay, tie. That's all caro we have on a terminal make bejo make be. Me I have we even terminal baby joy, 50-50. While the Jimmy gave me a call of the way we are gear away. And then I be and then we may expect reply. You got reply, okay, catch 5 or you just the woman I pay. Hello.
Hello, Mama. Good evening.
Good evening, my sister. God bless you.
Amen, ma.
I tell you something, you call me. Why you not call me for WhatsApp? You not call?
I call you this morning. No, in a not call, I not connect you for WhatsApp. I call you direct this morning. One man pick and still call just now. One man still pick.
No, not be my number. One man pick. No man they pick my number. Now mistake you make. Maybe you not check out where I see you for WhatsApp now. You carry one small picking hold for hand.
Yes.
I see you. So your brother-in-law, wait there working me. Now you just talk with me right now. They said that they invite you, make you come and work with me. Make you come prove your innocence. They want to know whether their brother they accuse you put, whether you do one or you not do one. And then I want to ask you again. Now you really now you deport your husband from Germany, you do juju, make I tell deport her. Talk to me. I want me you open your mouth, talk. Now you do the juju when I tell deport your husband.
No, ma.
Not be you do juju, but you tell your husband say now you do it because you they accuse you say you they fuck for outside. You want me come take in high, see ya. Now you.
You think I tell her? Not be true. Me we tell her that one.
But how your husband? How they take deport your husband?
I don't know for a that side they deport many people.
Huh?
I said that side they deport many people.
The time when I said, but you they go native doctor, not lie to me. This matter, I want help you. Yeah, I want help you come up for this problem. Tell me the truth. You they go native doctor.
Mama, me I don't know what they call native doctor.
You never go native doctor one they say the truth, oh, not lie.
I never go one.
If you lie to me, if you drink water, you go sleep, you not go wake up. Cause I pray, they pray for people. If you lie to me, you not accept. If you drink water, if you sleep, you will never wake up. Say amen.
If I go native doctor house.
If you don't do juju for native doctor, you never do juju when I take care of your husband come back.
Mama, I said no.
Now, where you can't go? You they go all those select church?
I go prophetic church.
Now you they go. Okay, now what is the concept you can't do for a work with me?
I don't know for them.
But what did your mother-in-law tell you?
I don't even get mother-in-law.
Now who they call you may you come and work with me?
They're not even call me.
What did your husband tell you?
They're not even call me. Just send me message for WhatsApp. Say that they call me for a house. Let me go.
Now message now your husband send give you for WhatsApp. So make you go and work with me.
May I forward that for you?
Forward that through my WhatsApp. That number when I take call you yesterday, I don't even call you today. Check out, you go see miss call.
Oh. Okay. Mama, bet see flash me with the number. Me I take call. Me I take phone.
Oh yeah, enter WhatsApp. May you enter. I go to call you Nana. Enter WhatsApp.
Oh.
Wabere keneme area. When a woman na je any gay, o ma no metino ya gwa. Abi ya no ko gwa, je mi ya mo bo metino ya gwa gbag. No. Abi ya no gwa mo ri ya lowi enu. Abi wa mabere ebe no ya gwa. Wewe emewebu, emi no si obugbe. Abi iku ya ni ya si aje Nigeria, ojani ya egbe nikpia obugbe. Who surprised the banner? Oh, who na we bona deport man. Who surprised the banner? No, wari cook back banner when all day. Ya gwalo deni ya gbe woman afa. Iya o we no tin ya reje mi. Nena zeji ya go na block ode. E ma tata mu wa na. Ona mi no log ipi bi e wo me many. Hey, salobo. O ma neru na mi oku oge. Beti me ye yo ni ka bo no ho na tane. Ye ma give la WhatsApp we no abia ye na khina. When you will be fly, Oh, no fear, oh, the woman mafia, oh, mafia, very, oh, why we to one? Hello,
Mommy Jerry, I talk me.
He said,
Mommy Jerry, I talk me.
He said,
But mommy, if your party beggar matter na mommy, mommy, it's a way again. I'm with you, no yagwan. Again, no, I know. Mommy, don't mind me, no. When again, I approve innocent. Do you have whom I get away with the area me? Every time mommy we again, I'm with you, no yag. Oh, I'm with you, no yagwan. Oh, my die again, nothing. Oh my God, no. When we were my way, me accuse you way. Then me agent and me my way, you that me accuse me way. He way. Yeah, he approve innocent me. Again, I will not hear mom. You know.
yeah, you may love us.
I know, mom. Again, I know. I know. I'm not Jano. When no can not prove innocent, okay? Sister, I am my way, Miropa. Any day, cat, mom, no cap, he didn't want to see it, and what I know.
Oh, my fear was on Wesley.
Oh, prove innocent, okay? Mommy, Jerry, I talk, babe.
It's Wesley. Why go? You haven't know what I mean. We not charge a banner, when he made Jenna. I want to accuse him every way. But in my way, I didn't make why anything, I mean, make why. We are going to approve innocent. You want to can very advice me. We may not be aware, and I went out there and I don't hear local. He said,
when you go or do a meeting at a bad level, no, a baby not to now is a responsible woman, eh? No better is a coming, we know dinner. If you're not a maybe I won't jump on a camera with the or your mother, that was stop. Or got trusty bay, who dedicate that woman, or your mother, that was without with the happy. Or Sunday, really would not do. Don't put up a get away, eh? No, the church, eh? Don't wear a private assistant every I who back for one again. Oh, one another is taking the facility. Here now we don't do the water we talking to. Yes, yeah. Oh, one of the one. A family gave me a 20 years old. But if you are start for years, or then I have to come away, then I have that. When I have the family for a come to me, doorway, or you were taking away. The family enough with the family number, don't what you were taking away. Don't know what is taking among any of the daddy. The way the body are going up, it's not all you have to live away.
yeah.
The way you have yes, whatever, you might do, the prophet, all born with the prophet. I prophet in India, I will write it. They all born with the or we are not there, of my mouth. The village, when you are getting so much there, so don't look at for the
Identity, my life was up. Then when it gets me like I'm with Cassie Marie and I finish it. Then you might give a lag was up. Maria Gwamba, or dog with me. Or dog, but my dog back, but I went on lag was up, or my la. Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, I tell you to make you enter WhatsApp. Why you not enter?
I don't open my WhatsApp. People are trying not get card again.
You not get card again?
No.
Okay, now, if you really love your husband, go to the village. Ask your husband who you want to go meet. May you go prove you're innocent. I bet you don't want to go.
Mama. Obviously, I don't want to go. Make you bring money for me. I take go now.
Okay, make anyway daily beer. Make her give you money. What do you they do? You they do market? You they go market?
I don't they do anything.
Oh. But how you cut the feed?
Mama, you hear yesterday when they talk, say, me, I will come up for us, I will leave this one. Maybe then my brother, when they outside, send me message, because I they do hard for them. If they still bring money come, we will see use for it, and now we take the eat.
Okay, you the build us. Wait for your brother. Oh. Now inside the money, you go see come out small till they eat.
Even school fees, so now 4 children they with me for here. School fees, so now inside. Everything now inside. Mama, yeah, if you be man of God, then you say make he send me my picture, make he send you my picture. May you see as I be. May you see as I said be, whether not the same thing.
Okay. Okay, now not be the way you be now, not be so you be before.
No.
And now
I wish not be my people. I wish not be my people. My enemy for not their life again. This baby when I born, after I born and finish, my enemy called the bridge. They can't rush me come up for where I was born, carry me go another hospital. Now 2 big oxygen, I can say waiting. We spent, my brother spent less than 800,000 naira. How much be money when you break home? And this baby is not so. Enough of let me say they buy baby food or all those things. Maybe then my brother preload come. I will see her the seller. Inside there, I will see buy baby food for it and buy food when we eat. Even school fees for children will be safe. Inside load when they will break on that, my children will carry clothes where they will wear.
Okay. Now I can understand. Talk truth. Since when your husband come abroad, you never fuck for outside one. You don't fuck. Tell me the truth. You don't fuck another man since when your husband there abroad.
That's never hey, make I even look back one day. Me, the person never even can they talk about all those nonsense one day.
Yeah, because I don't understand. You know, you're so. I won't be out of my me go one day. I'm a me where near. You see?
Not before, like people, they are remote.
Okay, your husband people, now they remote.
Yeah, like the remote. I just do the thing when he take on house. When he come out, my brother money, now I carry Johnny money when he take come out too. I wish he be online. They me for the talk, waiting me the talk, so making the year whether they like this time.
Your brother money now you carry give away take come out.
Yes. Now 270,000. I they carry 2 people go here and this.
Okay, now when your husband come back from Europe, what did he tell you? He accused you say you fuck for outside.
Ma?
The time when your husband come back from Germany. Your husband accuse you, say you fuck for outside.
No.
But why Bison and now he can't they accuse you?
Na remote, the remote. When we tried this, then one time when we go December. We go out for December. Like my son one day with Anna, that my son he grow past the papa. They even say na his papa born and they will say not be me. So anywhere when me they go, now me with her they go for village. Anywhere when we they go, I must carry and follow body. Me people come call and tell us say I carry my con house.
Okay, I tell you what I will. Anna, you are your son.
Now me and my son do work. Anywhere when me they go, now me with my son do work. The people come call and tell us say me carry my con house. Mama, I don't suffer for the hand, not be small. Just gonna be children, I make all the beautiful.
You man.
Woman, when me born, now last month, 25 on last month, life completely here when I born. It's when I take for my body never be okay. Mama.
Okay, wait. You are your husband when I go one church. The pastor call the church say, why you carry your husband come Nigeria? That can't see no happen.
Now Stella Church.
Okay, why the seller man can't tell you say, waiting why you do and make them deport your husband? You know that there.
The Salama say he wants to vision for me. As I sit down here, he go around to, he say no people for give me. Because they are Oga. He said the Oga say, then one woman went there, asked me the enter, he be 50, 30 for me at time here and I know fit talk to me. The Oga say make he walk around for the church 7 times. He walk around for the church 7 times. He not see anything for me. Because okay, me my Oga come. As he say make the corner, because that the man say he see you say you just come for abroad. That one say yes. He say na his wife, na he get hand for the thing when make her call her.
Now, what do you go tell the prophet?
Ma?
What do you go tell the prophet? When the prophet comes to vision say, now you carry your husband come house. What do you come to?
I not talk to that because me know this prophet say no what thing they talk.
I told you that me no sunu. Mama,
I know what thing they talk because I wish you know what thing they talk before first professor give me. The prophet one time he say make I come out for church when I dey go, make I not dey go their church. Now I not fit go to them.
Okay. Now your husband. Now he use the man tell the Selema say the deport her. I been at the Selema just see the vision direct.
Ma?
Now your husband, now he tell the Selema say the deport her. I been at the Selema just see and say the deport your husband.
I don't know. Now then they the one room. As they come out and I come the time me say see what the prophet tell us.
Who know the
Selema? They told me not. What did they tell me not the year?
Okay, now who know the Selema? Now you fair no, I been at your husband fair no.
Ma?
Now you fair no the Selema, I been at your husband fair no the Selema.
Now first invite us, bro. Now first invite us, bro. Okay.
God bless you. I'll call you back. Okay?
Okay.
Because even imeyeta iya ni si owo kin ya yowa kin yo fi owo yo ami eleli viere kia ya zen ya kin ya popin ya wa mi eleli ya kia out of 100 85 iya ri goda fin ya the family ya ku ekwa eri ami not tabana. Wo bi ye. Adera tame na no de wo bi ye no dion wane. Ogwa me kenia wo bi ye no dion lele. Beti ya ata we ni emusumo beri emubla boy. Mema ma kenia kesu ona eme. Beto saloba meta mama wo ko na isi so she's innocent.
4.
It is saloba meta mama. Hello, God bless you.
Hello, Mommy Jory Asokbe.
It's J from Austria.
Koje, Koje, Mommy Ogono.
Koje.
Je me dis, je m'en bien le noroto na lao I awari no kerejo. Veni meje hein. Inaga okuna ruda. 14 years ene regbebo wanu be ati me okedo vi me vie mo adie e Europe. Imagine gwati ife we perfect gbeo. Eri soro egani vi merogwa. Awamena do ame problem e webo. Ize mommy, ihe abwa family meruda. A family awamori ele nyamugo jomo. Ina ba ija awame gira gwene e gi mera ineje. Ina bwe family of Iberia village ya. Udanlele ni sana. Igi se bani na do kama na we baba ire. Ima no sunu. Emi wo expectation wo gage ri no sunu. Family na siko ba ya ma gwe na ma. Ekenu wa ga aju. Anything wa ga ire ti mutia. Obio momo pana lazia era sewera wa mo ke kama me owi mo paru nwo gedegele to egba to nya na de tia ya na kwala anything wa we ni we awu ya ka fu be pe iga we ni ti le ri o pe ga gun mepo o mo ma na we yen mo go na wari na wa mo gbe yan le ya ti o ni ya we bo ya cover le de agbe na we na yan e moto ni mamure ka na wa na be mu kun ni a drop him of school ya na we na yan anywhere na ya di manapa Mama kowa bana ari abudu. Ari sobe mana ni atefu rebole abudu. Obo iya wo ma ni bole deri o mana na mo ma pari ozai ge ari so zanya. Iya na do fanu no ba. Ona na we ya hi menyala ni obome bo na mi anything. Ari se vanya. Obo vi je direct. Ima boli de imaje va de majo kade. O vi ja ko ni o vi ja ko bi ba. When I am just when you are one over but what your way accidental na jena a finance way. Man, we are near Talo, and I will not know. I saw why a benai would not do it one time. The other time I get high perfect. A woman, one of made the mistake of family, a new not about aware in don't know for them. Whether that good or bad, or can you respect in the family of that point of that? You know, more be a jail, understand? Or Mama is just a game up with Yago. If you know, it's a blind where my yapping never any look for them. Or don't give out one, or whom everything of my own, you are my. And not give back, and you're another with it. Is that we a quick, or Kaya Metika every year, one not being, who be almost be up your muscle. A morning of your jalele, on a guy in Metina Diazi. Itoge mawe ibunia aise ba ri o ma ba avebo agbo ma je ohun wa je church avebo agbo ma mo mi e ma ta ma o se ma ni o clear gbe ma pa ma e ba den obviously na o ko e ba no ma ni ha mi o ya no e fa bi ju be ba mu ya o gba no ko no wi ro to se me da let me ga san je ga san jo mo mi na ma ba na mi e no I know go and I know what they want to I don't know for that one not be word o ma to se gbo ga so pe gbe go I mama judge e ma whatsapp ile wa latia ohun ma mo tenolele ile latia ma pa na da iyo bi protective ne we agboya wo pe travel no na here we go station who have it e probably ni man ni buwo no wodo magwa ni buwo ni area wa ti are na ga gidi oni ro e se wo na ma biga ya te ga ya e wu ka no bet oga obelele na here ogwa le seva Omagwo ni ewe juoru. Owa clear by ewe I not do, I not talk, I not do neneri. I'm not para no ya meti mudiado fiene. You haya prove by. When a woman na haya prove by, then I pay no. Oga ye, oga bele ni like in about that thing. Ogi yo mo ma be te more than in a one of ya. So ya can do than the more beer. And then that will be a very cool. And some say, mommy, what talk by when you want a job, what is it?
What's it? Me, I don't understand. Then in Mejo, when agbon ya pa mejo. This your ma trust me. Okay, okay. Ekerimena we blame the man we the man ti remote e we boyenje me ke accuse of na go feel where you are. But so one ya hawo eni. Gele jati ko wo ye feel where you are. Wa gbogbo gbe ya mo ko no kan. Hello.
Hello. Come on, here go mo me sati we.
O site we ma o.
Mommy, you know we Burkina Faso no come mommy.
Call we je me me ya je.
Hello.
Call je.
I say mommy, you ain't no little man like that day, man. You just send a picture me go WhatsApp.
Oh, imami o ya moejo. Oh, happy birthday.
Yeah, mo ye go WhatsApp.
E wo gbe send e me bo wi e ba ko won o wi e ni mo ye YouTube. Oh, e birthday na to carry ogogo nu e o ni Jesu. Ko o site we. Good luck. Which word to? Which word to? One love.
Okay.
La wa go me wish a happy birthday. Omo wi je no dey broken na fast. We go get me na. When a woman ni je ma we Christian ye kin o. When meje e me mi egbe ni. Da o wa me na trust me. O wa divorce me. It is the best.
Hello, mommy.
It's so measure.
About the body.
Ijo, site we.
I want me this matter with the guy. I fit talk both.
Of course, not for everybody.
Okay, mommy. For the true issue where they said the woman is very innocent. May anybody not discourage your mind or can't they think on the issue? That woman is very innocent. That the man is just a game player. So if for that man to talk on this issue, you know, saying that the family they right down because the man say he innocent with the eye, and he don't know anything about innocent with the eye, and really innocent with the eye. So for his side, that man is a gay player. Now the family they drive that man. So for me, make the woman she not go that village.
Yeah,
if you want,
yeah, make them not go kill him through where.
May they not go kill her. May them because Isha, they are very strong. May that woman be careful. Like seriously. I mean, I don't want you get to talk.
Thank you. God bless you.
All right.
Again, de agmo na tema. Again, de anate wa prove. Again na venati. Vena deport boy. Ni family oga we woman na. Woman at all. Me ma o wa be tobuwa we orun pa nwa. For me, I would me my soy, I why my soy, I wait to my soy. Okay, I will my trust. Why go with a big way? Well, then, me walk with you where you are, would it be our way? Hello, what's your way?
Hello, you
what talk, my rabbit, Domo?
What talk you?
He said,
I'm an wrote on a table inquiry. Oh, what do you weather to? I take you. One attack, Nigel, Mokone at the Pima, under one, or your part by over. Two of the foreign actors, the Domao. One people get open on her, and your part by home. A family to be a young qualo, the near your Bokudan, yes, Yoto. A young qualo. Nay, they do, they give up. There is Mabakaka. If you might like Donald for it. Not for it. Site away.
What talk about John way? Go.
What are you?
Now, wow. My
Hello, mommy. Good evening.
That's it. One me quick buy even a
Hello, good evening, ma.
Good evening, my sister. God bless you, ma.
Hello, mommy. Good evening, ma.
Osaguero.
Now this my family day grant. Now I want to contribute. Good. My whole advice to the woman is say make she no go village because if you listen to that man, the uncle, I be the brother-in-law may call just now. You hear what he talk. He say when the man there abroad, the man know they call them. Now when he reach Nigeria, after some months before he can call them. So that one supposed let everybody know say they're very angry with that woman because they believe that woman and she they chop their brother money. And now their brother don't come up for us now. So they go abroad again. Which means if he reach here again, Now the woman say they shop the money. Then they call the woman come village. Now me they come put something for water, the woman make she drink. Either she go they crave or she will come stay useless. They will come go potty say they serve their brother money. Make she no go. Make she no go. That woman dey innocent. Very, very innocent. Good night, man.
Oh, bye-bye. Then another thing again. Oh, we not say we are both work out why. Oh, now you are deported na magi both work beraba. Oh, why we not jail? We narrow eh. Oh, why we not jail? We narrow bo. Oh, why we not jail? We narrow eh. Hello.
Come on, hello. Come on, what's my I'm not telling me, tell me, I don't know, mommy. But I don't know that when you go one and you remember so get. Only method when they bank with down or go away in there, when there. Because the man is not the way you go one the Kawan road. And the remember so we get. So we must only know ya, man. I want not win in a day and know back. Oh, I will be a kid and I'm not asking about everybody.
Oh, man, I went in order when I deport out wire.
Oh, my possible. I met and I walk it. If I'm near me supported the woman, not yet. Not yet, no, I cannot do your managing. No, no, different big family because I may not be able to have a family of the man. It's not possible, mommy. I'm not when I attack. I may not be baby, but all you're supposed to do, okay, I defend the bag. But we, that year, my boy, saw we at the end, therefore, you have their babble on the movie. This is a church of we and you. I'm with people there, I did the babble. I've the babble, mommy. You are there, so when you only worry that you were, mommy.
Go, side to where?
Okay, mommy.
Bye-bye. Hello, another topic. Oh, now we're wherever. Because I'm mammy to eh. The my water, my tata le kwakeka. Because yan in yake sirema. It's on a give me boo, mammy matamoro. Hello. No, I will talk. Come boo. You get the can he make it when he make one yo. But the woman we my way like ya tie na. Cause I'm mammy mogi. May me Jenna you come here mo. So anything I will say be careful. Come here. Uma era mo be on air. No mammy mogi. Esa ti si ni no me. Wa lo wo do lo enu ya watch me.
Hello, call you. What's up, eh?
Ise.
Hello, call you. You funny, man. Call you back.
Yo, mama.
What's up, eh?
Ise.
When I know, oh, Jesus. So, almost to say, Kakabo of one, everlasting, long life, good health. Oh, we are near.
Ise.
Where's he? Mommy, and then another time, I only not say, okay, mini. I only had a lady. I mean, money here, so you read like that one. Mother, only mommy. Only when they get you.
Walking. Yeah, ma.
Yeah, Macacabo, he got a story. Huh? Only. Oh, is it all you have your body? Or a mother to be a joke. Really can't cannot or wait till my family a family in my doctor.
Okay.
In a couple of seven, no, not do I get it. It's the mother of with a wife, a big boy, a baby no the family, a family, a year in that, the baby near valuable. I'm not very a weapon. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, not walk. Psalm 27, I will never forget in my life. I was a baby and then TA, mommy. A man for which we have the although I knew anywhere, need the other for age. You got to your buyer, I got buyer for no one of Barney. You got to get to look at the buyer, the book, no, near Georgie, many are Barney. All I want is the other for you. May die your Monaco on a week. I'm only a woman, Nahana, Nahana, oh, you don't talk, support to the local. Oh, yeah,
Mutana J. I walk him here, and I wear, or may say, what big, but I watch him, how you do. I walk him in on.
Hello.
Wadame yo. Joe, Osaloba we don't play with ebo, eh? Hey, don't play with ebo. Ebo can kill innocent person.
Jesus, all setting up about Jesus. Jesus will wake up money in me. I want money my way to that year. This the enemy I never put it, never put it again. I no poena. Then I never met to I don't want to the evening. And you know telling me I don't want. In fact, mommy, what is it for any no? We must be okay for cool. Don't
wow.
Not for big bad people. He might not see that. He might not see where I bet. Hey, Jesus.
I walk him here. What's him avant?
Yeah, when you if I say, Jesus Christ, then they are all the make one at the end.
Okay.
One, all the one. I mean, I call.
No, I'm not afraid, but I can't eat to juju. Love day, him memoable. Mama, maybe I'm not saying we'll give more on Facebook.
No marry no restaurant, dog, one. Home phone, no marry.
Many to the moebo. Ilava, Imalakebo. This power will lack him. I can't prove no sentiment. No, prove innocent for what? Whatever, no proving no sense no man. When you are to over the base, maybe you don't have proper can get one move there. A judgment of the Lord dead, or not get away.